Hey guys. Today we're going to be doing a Nerf war. It's requested by my friend Daniel. He goes to the same school as me, and so that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing everything that you guys comment, unless it's like something that I can't do, like I don't know, like that's going to get me kicked out or something. But I can do like sneaky stuff like that balloon one, and we're each going to start out these things called jolts.
And I'm going to have a knife just for other reasons.
Yep, and then
It's fake.
I have one more gun than him that is semi-automatic one, and so like he has like more clips than me. He has like 6 more clips than me. That's why I got the other one. So 3, 2, 1, go! Bud. No! I got it. Yes, there we go. So our guns are out. 3, 2, 1, go! Sit there. 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1. There we go. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Okay, I'm almost out. Okay, here we go. He's responding. Oh, dang it! Fudge him out. Dang it. Come on. No! 3, 2, 1. Oh crap. Oh my gosh. I'm out. Fudge. I'm all out. I need a new clip. 3, 2, 1. Here he comes. Gonna need a new clip. 3, 2, 1. Atomic bomb. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Okay, guys. Sorry for the bad filming. Yeah. Sorry for the bad filming.
See you guys next time. Like and subscribe.
Comment and share the video with your friends. See you next time. Subscribe to my brother's channel. It's Block AH. I think it's BALLOCKE. I think.
No, it's AE.
Okay, whatever. See you next time. Bye.